In we go. I'm just going to take one of these pork chops. I'm going to probe it in the dead center again. The thermometer centers in that first ½ inch. You just want to get it in that geometrical thickest part of the chop. And then we're going to plug it in. So this is not a probe cook. We're not going to a specific temperature probe-wise, but we definitely want to keep an eye on that temperature. And the best way to do that is to probe it and keep a look on the cabinet. Again, you can hit the thermometer at the bottom gives you the status at any moment during the cook cycle, and it gives you the actual data and the actual settings that the cabinet is running. And we can do that right now. Evaporator's at 169, air's at 126. We got negative differential, which basically means that the evaporator is working a little bit harder to get the cabinet temperature. And of course, our pork chops are pretty cold right now, so I think that's funny that it says frozen. It doesn't say probe error or just blanks out. So yeah, good job, engineers.